Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I draw a trident. I start off with the outline, leaving the corners on the ends just to show a sharp edge. Soon I put in the base colour and I start thinking about what parts I want to highlight, often just putting in single pixels here and there just to show parts that are standing out or a point or something like that. Soon I will draw a gem in green, but I will change that to a blue with more contrast and make it stick out a little bit more. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Check down below in the description for my socials, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, bye for now.